Hello, friends, and welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Let's talk about one of those true forever kitchen pieces, my All-Clad D3 12-inch stainless steel frying pan. I've had this pan for nearly 20 years, and I'm not exaggerating when I say I use it almost daily, especially for eggs. It's also my go-to for sautéing onions and veggies because the heat is so even. You don't get those annoying hot spots that leave one edge browned and the other edge, well, still thinking about it. This pan just cooks consistently, which makes everything feel easier and more predictable. The shape is perfect too because it's got a flat base, flared edges, so you can flip, toss, and stir without fighting the pan. And when I want that restaurant-style browning, this is the one. It gives that true beautiful sear and fond on the bottom, which is basically the secret to making quick pan sauces taste like you really know what you're doing. Another reason I love it, it transitions from stovetop to oven really seamlessly. And it's even oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees. Plus it works on every cooktop, including Induction. The riveted stainless handle feels secure in your hand, and after all these years, it's still a workhorse, and it cleans up wonderfully. Home sweet home tip, let your pan preheat, then add your oil. Stainless steel rewards patience with the prettiest browning. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating helpful, cozy reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.